repeated questions, and I got to who hurt her. It's when the thing started talking, when I kept having repeatedly just who hurt you, who hurt you, who hurt you, and then it started. And I didn't catch a couple of the words, that's why.
Yeah. I don't think there's much.
But I don't know if it's actually Claire.
Yeah.
Go out there and see a man standing on the roof.
I would freak out, Tim.
Well, that's where they like to walk on. Grab his camera. Or I'll grab it.
You got it?
Whoa.
Whoa.
Just back?
No.
Oh, well then, I think one of those doors is closed or open somewhere.
I thought that was you.
No, I was standing in the hallway down the way.
Oh, I thought it was you too.
I thought it was you guys because I heard it down this way.
Which way?
Down this way somewhere. I'm thinking it was more over here, but if you guys heard it out here, which way? I was down at the inn where we were before.
Yeah.
Well, it
And I heard
sounded,
it to us.
well, it sounded like it was right down here or under us.
Let's check some doors.
Well, it could be a.
It was a clear slam.
Yeah. I thought it was you.
No. So I heard it.